In the last 3 years, I've earned more than $300,000 from self-publishing, and my best-selling book has generated more than $180,000 in royalties. In this video, I'm going to guide you through every single step I would take if I were starting KDP from scratch, with no money to invest and without using ads. I'll explain exactly the secret to finding your customers and converting them without having to invest your own money through 4 steps, so that you can have a real action plan to follow. The first concept is fundamental to understanding the entire strategy, and it starts with a simple question that you probably haven't truly asked yourself and have just taken for granted. Where is the money? Let me explain what I mean. When we approach the KDP business, we take it as a given that the people searching for our products on the platform are the ones who buy and make us money. These are what I call aware customers, because they are aware they have a problem and that their solution might be on Amazon in the form of a book. Aiming to sell to this group of people has always brought in good earnings. But in the last few years, something has changed because competition on the platform has increased exponentially due to the advent of AI. Also, think about it. Out of all the people in the world who have a problem, how many will actually search for the solution on Amazon in the form of a book? Most people will never have that thought. Probably at least 95% of our potential customers. The real question then is, where can we find this other 95%? There are 3 answers, and they are all correct. On Google, where people still search for solutions to their problems today, on ChatGPT and other AI chatbots, where the search for solutions is now shifting, and finally, social media. And social media is exactly the perfect place to find what I call unaware customers, those who have a problem but have no idea that a solution could exist in the form of a book on Amazon. They are our goldmine. And throughout this video, I will show you exactly how to sell your books to them. The second principle I'm about to explain is what allows us to understand why this strategy is so effective. In 2026, we should no longer talk about social media, but about interest media. The term social media is incorrect because the content we see isn't dictated by the people we are connected to. 99% of the time we spend in front of our phone screens, we spend watching videos and photos of people we don't know whether they are famous or not. And it's all totally calibrated based on our interests. The platform algorithms have become incredibly powerful at understanding what interests us, what we need, and what makes us so passionate that we can't close the app. While this might be sad in a way for those of us with a business like self-publishing, interest media becomes a goldmine because it allows us to automatically show our books to people interested in that specific topic we cover. Basically, we can promote what we do to thousands of targeted people every day completely for free. Before I show you the 4 steps of my marketing strategy, I want to invite you to join my free school community, where you can find 4 totally free lessons from my course, Self-Publishing Foundations. In these lessons, I tell you exactly how I approach this business and what my founding principles are. The first lesson will be unlocked immediately, while the following ones require level 2, which you can reach simply by writing an introduction post about your experience and a post in the questions section where you can ask me any question that comes to mind regarding my strategy. Over time, I want to build a community where we learn and discuss everything together so we can all grow and earn more and more. So I'll see you there. You can find the link in the first pinned comment. Let's start with the first step of my marketing strategy. Since we said that platforms rely solely on your interests to decide what to show you, what is the first fundamental step to successfully finding our customers? The answer is very simple. We need to understand who the person is that we want to target to sell them our book. To start, I define the buyer persona, which is the precise description of my ideal customer. To do this, I use the 3 circles method. The first circle, the outermost one, is the circle of demographic traits, all that surface level information that provides context, such as age, gender, occupation, family status, where they live, and how much they earn. The second circle is the middle one and represents psychographic traits. In this case, we want to define the typical values and principles of the buyer persona, what their hobbies and interests are, their goals, and what is important to them. The third circle, the innermost one, represents emotional traits, basically everything that keeps you up at night and drives you to act, such as fears and insecurities, deepest frustrations, but also the desires and dreams of the buyer persona. The 3 circles method will allow us to define exactly the person we are selling to and who we'll need to refer to from now on in everything we do, making it much easier to choose the emotional triggers that make them take action. In the second step, we take action. What is the specific moment in a video where we need to grab someone's attention and make them immediately relate to our words? I'm talking about the hook. The hook is that initial part of the video that allows us to stop the continuous scrolling from one piece of content to another. And if we use it correctly, it makes our videos perform well. What you need to do in the second step is use your buyer persona profile to create a list of hooks to use in your content. The goal is to get between 10 and 20 different hooks based on the emotional triggers identified in step 1. You need to use the pain points caused by the problem your book solves as leverage to convince people to buy. To help you do this, I've created a list of 50 hooks that you can customize based on your needs, complete with a template and a practical example for each one. You can find it completely for free on my website, elevatepublishers.com, or among the links in the first pinned comment at the top. The third step of the strategy is creating the content to publish. To do this, I use a simple rule called the 3x3 rule. What we want to do by publishing content on social media is show our books to as many people as possible for free. And to do that, we absolutely need volume. This is why my method involves publishing 3 pieces of content per day created in a maximum of 3 minutes each. This is where the 3x3 rule comes from, which allows us to apply our strategy in less than 15 minutes a day by publishing 3 contents without burning out while consistently promoting our book. What I'm going to do now is show you exactly how to apply it. What you need to do is simple. Choose one of the hooks from your list created in step 2. After that, we are going to create 3 contents starting from that same hook. The first content must be a video of maximum 15 seconds where you show the inside of your book. At the top, place your hook text so it is very visible and add music that is in line with the emotions you want to convey in the video. You can literally create this content in less than 30 seconds because it is so conceptually simple. The second content you need to create is an image slideshow. In the first image, put a photo of the book cover with the text at the top. In the following images, show different pages of your book that are relevant based on the hook you chose. The trick to making specific phrases stand out is to underline them with a highlighter. You can do all of this in less than 3 minutes since the photos don't need to be professional. In fact, the more amateur they look and the more errors they have inside, the less obvious it will be that you're trying to sell your book. And it will just look like a friendly recommendation. The third content is the most structured and longest one, but the goal is for it to still be extremely simple and fast to create. Record a video between 30 and 40 seconds long where you show the pages of your book in more detail. After that, record a voiceover that starts with the hook you chose and continues with an explanation of what is found inside the book. You don't have to use your own voice. You can use an AI text-to-speech tool like 11 Labs and you're good to go. Again, the goal is to be fast and not overthink the words you want to say. The important thing is the hook and making the viewer understand the value they can find inside the book, whether it's a low-content book or a high-content book. This is why it's important for your book to be graphically appealing, and it will be useful to show that the book is being used with underlined parts, written notes, or in the case of low-content books, with the completed pages. Maybe at the beginning it will take more than 15 minutes total to complete everything. The maximum time it should take you is half an hour. If you notice that the third content, the more structured and longer one, takes too much time, start for the first month with just the first 2 types of content. The goal is to be consistent and not burn out after a week. There is one more step that can turn your content into a money-making machine. What everyone tells you to do to increase your earnings for free is to include a free resource inside your book to build an email list of your customers and then convert them again through email marketing. What I do is completely different. I use email marketing to acquire new customers, and I do it through social media. This allows me to get thousands of new leads every month who are interested in the topics I cover in my books, practically for free through simple content on social platforms like Instagram or TikTok. After that, by integrating a specific sequence of emails sent automatically over time, I'm able to convert a portion of those contacts, exponentially increasing my sales. If you want to understand exactly how I do all of this, in the first pinned comment at the top, you'll find the link to the bundle containing my 2 courses, TikTok for self-publishers and email marketing for self-publishers, with an exclusive $30 discount available only through this video. Inside, you'll find all the secrets of my method and you can understand exactly how I built my 6-figure business without spending a single dollar on KDP ads. Thank you for watching the video until the end. I'll see you soon with new content. Bye.